Hi, I'm Dr. Heather.
And I'm Nurse Nettie.
Welcome to the Young Lady Starter Kit. This DVD is going to explain the things you need to know about your first period and becoming a young lady.
We have set this DVD up into chapters so you can rewind it or go back over it as many times as you need to. If there is anything that you were worried about or unsure of, you can always ask your mum, dad, school teacher, school nurse, an adult you feel comfortable with.
Or you can even talk to your family doctor like me. Even though we have a lot of information on this DVD, you might also want to talk with someone you can trust about your body, because everybody is different.